Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life. So I'm really excited today. We have a collaboration and it's a Christmas in July collab, and we'll be posting a video every Saturday. And the group is called Exclusive Decor Club, and that's hosted by Really Good Living. Okay, so the co-hostesses are JRC Restoration, Decor, and Design, the Rodgers House, Sister Cousins Lifestyle, Buckeye Girls Recent Things, Happy Hoarder, and the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, and that is me. So the rules of this collab were pretty easy. Though Lady Phoenix did give us 3 choices for each week, and we can pretty much pick our own theme so long as it's Christmas. And it's really an optional choice, and it's really freestyle. So it's whatever you decide to create so long as you display it and it's Christmas related. So that was pretty easy, and I chose to do 2 DIYs related to Christmas. So I'm going to be starting on my Christmas wall decor and then displaying it for you. So let's jump right into the video. Okay, so we are going to start out with this tag sign. I took this outside. I already spray painted this in black, and we're going to be using these Dollar Tree stickers to spell out Merry Christmas and maybe a couple of other words, and then we'll go on from there and start to embellish. And I'm already in the Christmas mood. So let's jump into it. I decided to incorporate one of these plastic crosses. I painted those in red. I decided to add that, and I think those came out during Easter. And then I went into my Christmas stash and I found the truck ribbon and the Christmas truck ribbon. And then I also found an ornament. So I thought this was absolutely great. Then I pulled out that nautical rope because we will be going around the border of that board, that tag sign with the nautical rope, and then we're going to place a hanger on it off to the side, so you'll see what I mean. So I absolutely love decorating for Christmas, so this is fun for me. Let's jump into it. So I also found a couple of pieces of this boxwood, which I purchased at Walmart. And I think that gives it a nice little touch. And then we're going to be placing on there not only that ribbon with the truck on it, but we'll also be making a buffalo check ribbon in the black and the white. So I think this decor piece came out absolutely beautiful. So I'm just doing the last finishing touches, and they always seem to involve loose gems. So I absolutely love that. We're going to place some on the bows. We're going to place some near the truck. And then I think we're almost pretty much done. Now, don't forget, when you use stickers of any kind, you don't want any of this stuff to lift up. So we are sealing in that whole tag sign with the Mod Podge. And that's what I'm doing here. So now we're pretty much done with the tag sign. So now it's time for the reveal. Okay, so now we're moving on to project number 2, which is a wreath. And I'm very excited about it because though it's simple, it's absolutely beautiful. Okay, so I couldn't find one of the round wreaths when I went to the Dollar Tree, so we did find a square one, so that's what we're working with. And then I wanted the burlap, so we're going to go around that whole wreath with the burlap. And I'm also going to be using a Christmas buffalo check in red ornament. We'll also be using nautical rope with this, so all of these things will all blend together. I cannot wait for you to see the outcome of this wreath. So I do hope you enjoyed my video. If you did, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to click on the notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. So now let's head on over to the vignette.